Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman and welcome to my Extras channel, and we've got another unboxing today. This is an LG 4K monitor. They call it the 24UD58, and it's 24 inches, and I bought this because I needed a 4K monitor to do some testing here on the channel. Usually I hook things up to my television over there, but if we want to test dual displays, I needed a more convenient way to do that. So I bought this, and I got it for $288, which I think is a pretty good deal for a 4K IPS display, which is what this is. It looks like it's gone back up now to $300 and change, but still I think relatively reasonably priced given the resolution and the panel type. So let's take it apart here and see what we got inside the box. And this is the stand. I'll put it together and show you what it looks like when it gets assembled. And here's another thing. I just hit my keyboard by accident. Here's another component to that stand there. So we'll put all these things together. One issue I've had with the LG stands of late is that they are very wobbly. So we'll see how well it does in this iteration, if it's improved at all. Here is the power cable and some cable management stuff in here. They do have a disc, which I'm assuming is, it just has the owner's manual and some other stuff in there. And then it looks like they also, let's open this part up, give us some cables in the bag here. So let's see what kind of cables we get. We get a HDMI cable and a DisplayPort cable. Always nice to get the cables you need in the box, but if you've got a computer with some kind of newfangled USB-C port, or you got mini DisplayPort, you'll probably have to get an adapter or a different cable, but good that they gave you something here. And here is the main event. This is the panel itself. And let's see what this looks like. It's kind of nice to have a smaller display just because I like to have something on the desk here when I'm doing videos, and I really can't have a big 27-inch display or hook my big TV up over here, so this makes more sense to do it this way. So not the most attractive looking display, but I didn't buy it for that. So it's got some bezels on it, so you're not going to get those thin bezels that you see elsewhere, but I think it looks pretty nice. Let me put this together real quick and I'll show you what it looks like when I am done with that. All right, so the monitor is set up. I'm going to start doing my evaluation, and we're going to have a full review of this on the main channel at lon.tv. Looks great. We've got it working at 60 hertz. There was a setting that you have to turn on the monitor to get it to 60 hertz, though. It wasn't at 60 by default. I'll talk about that in the main review. It's in the on-screen control panel here. And then it also looks like in the back here, if I can tilt over to the other angle, we've got an HDMI port right here, another HDMI port there, and we also have DisplayPort in, and there's a VESA mount here too, so you could use a mounting bracket or something like that if you want with it. So stay tuned. We're going to have a full review of this coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv. Looks like it looks pretty decent here, and it's also pretty sturdy, and we'll have more detail very soon in my full review, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.